How to send gifts on Bigo Live? Wanna show some love to your favorite streamer on Bigo Live? Sending gift is the way. Let me show you how, quick and easy. First, open the Bigo Live app and join any stream you like. Look for the gift box icon, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it. Bunch of virtual gifts will pop up, from cute sticker to flashy animation. To send gifts, you need diamonds, Bigo's currency. Don't have diamonds? Tap the recharge button to buy some. Got diamonds? Great. Just tap the gift you want to send, confirm your choice, and the gift will fly across the screen with cool animations. Plus, the streamer get notified. And pro tip, bigger gifts get more attention and can help you become a top fan. And that's how you spread the love on Bigo Live. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.